Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Katrina, and today I wanted to do an updated version of the mudroom. If you've seen my old mudroom cleaning, it was quite a while back, and the mudroom has stayed a little more organized, but there's a lot more in here than there was when I finished cleaning it the last time, so there's a lot of organizing that needs to be done. It also piles up over the winter because I don't like to tackle this when it's cold. So now that it's spring, it is time to clean this mudroom and get it functional and ready for the summer weather. Alright, I don't know how it happens, but the mudroom always gets a mess. So here's some before. I've actually already moved the stack of boxes from on top of that cage to over here, but you can see it's a mess.
So as you can see, some parts of it are definitely worse than others, but I want to have this place way more functional than it was and able to use it for the purpose that I need it for versus it just being a storage room.
I do like to keep boxes just because when people pick up rabbits, sometimes they don't bring a carrier, and so I can at least offer them a box.
I find that I never even open up this container. So clearly whatever's in here is either not needed or can go somewhere else because if I never open it, then why am I storing all this stuff? And I should use this Tupperware container for something else. Whenever I try to sweep, my toddler always wants to assist. It is super adorable, but he hasn't quite figured out the concept of leaving it in a pile. He likes to take my pile and move it back around the room again. So, you know, he's helping. All of the footwear was fairly muddy from the weather we've had, and so I convinced my toddler to help take the boots and shoes outside, so that kept him busy for a few minutes and definitely helped me.
So I'm trying to sort out all the little stuff. It's the stuff that doesn't look like a big deal, but it's time consuming, and it's often items that I need and I don't want to get wrecked, so I'm trying to sort them into containers and that kind of thing. So we are going to attempt to actually use these shelves. You guys helping clean them up. Maybe we can actually use them for something. You gonna carry those out for me? You carry this out? Can you carry it out? Take it out.
So now that the countertop is clean and I've got things a bit more organized, I can start putting some things back and trying to place some order into this room. It's definitely time to shake out this rug. It doesn't come fully clean when you clean it off, but it will help. And I will sweep yet again to try and get the majority of this dirt out of the mudroom so that we at least have a clean floor for a day or two.
Alright, well after 2 days it is finally paid off. The mudroom is done. I can't wait to show you guys. Keep in mind that it is mudroom slash barn, so it's not perfectly clean, but it is so much more organized. It looks so much better than it did before. Alright, so coming in, the mat's not perfectly clean, but it's a lot cleaner than it was. There's nothing on the floor over here. This shelf here we've got completely organized. So we're going to try and use these shelves for, or at least the bottom two, for boots and shoes. So we got those cleaned off. I even washed the boots and shoes that were dirty. This shelf here, I know it looks a little messy still, but I've got garden stuff on this side and tool stuff on that side. Up on the top we got the recycling bin, some eggs that I haven't processed. This area I didn't touch, that's my husband's stuff. Rabbits, still the same for the 3 cages here. Stored some boxes on the top with the sled. But over here, I got this all organized, so I moved this cabinet. It was in front of where the boots are, so I moved it over here. And I have every one of the shelves slash drawers organized. We got the newspapers in the bottom. Containers of rabbit supplies and everything over here. Containers that I use for feeding on the top. Got extra boxes over here. And supplies and all of the water bottles. Our bags of feed on the floor. And the shelf, I didn't touch it too much, but it's at least better than it was. Freezer over there. And floor space. Look, we can walk in here. Woohoo! Well, thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope this inspired you to get out there, do some spring cleaning, get your place spruced up and ready for the nice weather. If you did enjoy this, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Share it with other people. That's definitely the best compliment you can give. Let me know in the comments below, are you doing spring cleaning? Are you motivated to get your place cleaned up? And if you're new, I would love it if you would subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys!